Kia ora koutou. Here we are at video number 3 about Rerepātai. In this video, we'll be looking at using the tūpātai or question word aha to ask some doing questions. In the first video about Rerepātai, I introduced you to the tūpātai aha, meaning what, and we used it to ask he aha tō mahi. In this video, we'll be using it to put together some sentence structures about what someone or something is doing, what they did, what they might do in the future, or what they should do. Let's start by revisiting our tense markers or tohu wā. In the wā hepa, we have I, ite, and kua. In the wā tū, kei te, and ehe ana. And in the wā heke, we have ka. I'll also add in me, meaning should. Next up, we have our tūpātai aha. And lastly, the subject of the sentence, or the ones we'll be asking about, what someone or something does. Let's add a few examples in here. We'll start with koe and a couple of other tūkapi, rātou and kōrua. Then we'll add some people's names, remembering the rule about needing to add the particle a before the name, and some tūingoa. Te tama, te kapa, ngā heihei and ngā manu. I'll also add a couple of nominal phrases, or noun phrases, which is like a noun but in a phrase form. Te tūmuaki o te kura, the principal of the school, te waka o te rā iwi, and last one, ngā kai waiata o te tira waiata, the singers of the choir. Let's use these three parts now to make up some pātai. I'll start with kei te aha koe. What are you doing? Next up, I te aha, ngā heihei. What were the chickens doing? And I aha te waka o te rā iwi. A few more examples now. Me aha a mere. What should mere do? Ka aha ngā kai waiata o te tira waiata. What will the singers of the choir do? E aha ana kōrua. What are you two doing? And the last one, kua aha a Hemi. What has Hemi done? If you'd like to have a go at making up some pātai of your own, pause the video now. Here are the pātai that we've just been over, and I've added some possible tauira whakautu, some answer examples. Kei te aha koe, kei te mahi ahau. I te aha ngā heihei. I te kai ngā heihei I ngā parakai. They were eating scraps. I aha te waka o te rā iwi. I āmi o te waka I te motu. The waka sailed around the country. Me aha a mere. Me hoki atu a mere ki te tai rāwhiti. Ka aha ngā kai waiata o te tira waiata. Ka haratau te tira waiata I tā rātou whakāturanga. They will rehearse their performance. E aha ana kōrua. E hare ana maua ki te toa hokomaha. We are going to the supermarket. And the last one, kua aha a Hemi. What has Hemi done? Kua ruku kaura a Hemi. Hemi has been driving for crayfish. So that's all for now about using aha to ask questions about doing. Next time you see someone or something doing something, have a think about how you might ask and answer a doing question. Stay tuned for the next video about Rerepātai. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Hei kona.